Standard 9th Geography, Chapter number 2, Distributional Maps. Introduction. In the previous video, we have learnt about the dot method, in which we learnt the rural population is shown by dots and the urban population is shown by circles. Now here we are going to study about the choropleth method. All of you like this method very much because it is very easy to understand and very interesting also. So here, what is important in choropleth method? In this method we are using different shades of the same color. Here you have to select one particular color. For example, the density of population of Amravati district has shown in pink color. First, you have to decide the minimum and maximum values of color. Now from the minimum and maximum, the minimum will be the lightest shade of pink color. Now as you go up into the classification of colors, the darkest pink will be your what? Yes, you are right, it is your maximum value. Now open your textbook, page number 2, and see the choropleth map of Amravati district density of population. There Amravati has shown maximum density of population in one particular area, and that area has shown with the darkest pink. Now we are going to see what is choropleth method map. A choropleth method map is a map type in which the distribution of variable is shown by shades or tint of various colors. Or a choropleth map is a type of thematic map in which areas are shaded using tints of the same color. Now the explanation of choropleth method. First point, in the choropleth method, various geographical variables are shown by shades or tints of various colors. Second thing, while making choropleth maps, the data used for different variables is obtained through various processes such as measurement, surveying, and so on. The third point, in this method, only one value is given to one sub-administrative unit in a region. Fourth one, the smallest and the largest values of the given data of the variables are taken into consideration, and after that 5-7 classes are made. Fifth one, each class is assigned a tint of the same color or black and white patterns. The shades or the patterns become darker with the increasing values of the given variable. Now open your book, page number 2. There is one figure number 1.2a. Observe this figure carefully and answer the following questions. The first one, name the talukas having population density between 301 and 400 persons per square kilometer. Second one, what is the density of Amravati taluka? And the third one, name the talukas having population density less than 300 persons per square kilometer? Fourth question, which taluka has a population density of less than 100 persons per square kilometer? Fifth question, which talukas have a population density of more than 400 persons per square kilometer? And the last question, what is a choropleth method map?